Let us delete a subcurve. Notice that I have the quad or snap-on. So I'm going to select my curve, find out the start, and right here, the end. And there I was able to delete that part. Undo. Let me do it again. Select. The start will be from here, and the end will be right here. One more time. This is how you delete a subcurve.